Hello, this is Alan here. I got another review to do here. This is a catalytic converter alarm. And actually, they're basically the same. It says motorcycle, bicycle, anti-theft alarm. They're basically the same, even though this says catalytic converter. The only difference, you get this heat blocking pad, and you get metal bands. They give you 4 metal bands. You only need 2. At least on this one here anyway. But actually, the alarm is the same as a bicycle alarm. Same manual, same remote. Same alarm, same screwdriver, and guitar pick. Except you don't get the plastic ties. That's the only difference. You get the metal ties, and you get the heat pad here. What you do, you take this part out here off, this brown part. You stick this on here. I usually use some alcohol to clean it first. And then this goes toward your pipe. And I'll show you in a little bit how I put it on. So same kind of alarm. I actually got one on my girlfriend's truck, and it's working pretty well. You just got to remember to control it. Once you touch the truck, open the door, it'll go off. Oh, I forgot to put this back in there. Let me see something there. They even got a SOS emergency function on it too. I forgot to tell you about my bicycle one. So if you have an accident or something, it'll make it go off. So let me get this put on the on my SUV. With so many thousands of catalytic converters being stolen, and they're really expensive. So what I'm going to do here, got my safety glasses on, in case stuff falls and gets my eye. I'm going to put it on the vehicle here. Mine's going to be easier than on my girlfriend's pickup. Oh, somebody got 2 tailpipes. They say I done research. They said put it between the muffler and the tailpipe. I got 2 tailpipes here. I didn't know that. I got a Volkswagen Atlas. It has the phony exhaust, and they said they only got 1 exhaust. I got 2. Well, 1 coming to this muffler here, and 2 tailpipes out. So what I'm going to do here, if I can show you here. See what I do. Pull this off here. Then you try to even up as much as possible. You put on there. That's to protect it from the heat. Then you take 2 of these metal bands. That's all you need, 2. Just the camera here. And they say leave a 1/8-inch gap between the pipe and this padding here. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. And I want to keep the screw here where I can get to it easy for when I have to change the batteries over. I thought I was going to crawl under this SUV like I did the pickup. I don't have to. That's about good. And then I'll cut the extra off. Leave the 1/8-inch gap there for airflow. And it's best to put it where it won't be seen real easy. There we go. Just like that. See, it's out of sight. You won't see it. Let me get something to cut that. I'm gonna bring it out with me. Let me just snip these. And that's it on that. Okay, let me open this door here. Shut it. See, went off. Don't take much of a vibration to set it off. Anytime you mess with that pipe, anywhere, it's gonna go off. This is one I got on my girlfriend's truck. I put it way up there high. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it just went off. I hit that pipe there. It just went off. So it's pretty sensitive. Okay, let me turn this off first. And the best thing to do, I don't think it fit on your key ring, so the best thing to do here is just to arm it, put it in your cup holder. Now it's armed. That's it. It's a very cheap way to go. So it's a very cheap route to go, and I think it'll work. You know, I checked out all kinds of systems. One, you put a long piece of metal part along the whole pipe. It costs a couple $100. But there's a very cheap way, and I think it might work. How much you should be trying out. You know, they may not bother our catalytic converters, but just in case, I like to be ahead, one step ahead of the crooks, the criminals. I don't want anybody stealing anything from me. And those converters, they cost a lot to replace and hard to get to, I heard. So I hope this helps you. And like I said, I use my own money. Link be in the description box if you want to buy it. And until next time, try to have another review for you later.